Hello, family psychologist Olga Kuleshova is with you. Age-related crises. 3 to 4 years the total number of fears in boys decreases, in girls increases, 6 to 7 years old, 11 to 12 years old. The critical age, the so-called equator, is 7 years. Before him, in the first place, an instinctive unreasoning fear of loneliness, of his own death. After that, they become more aware and socialized. Late for school, the death of their parents. Starting from the age of 12, their number is gradually decreasing. A normal teenager with no mental abnormalities. By the age of 16, you should not be exposed to any of the above fears. If some of them are present, it indicates a psychological immaturity of the individual, a tendency to nervous disorders, depression. If there are too many of them, this is already an alarm signal about the presence of a neurosis or phobia. Adolescence is characterized by 5 social phobias: not being yourself, failure, condemnation, punishment, physical deformity, lonelinesses, hopelessness and impossibility of self-realization. The place of residence has a great influence on the occurrence of social fears in adolescence. According to research, urban people are often diagnosed with a fear of ridicule, gelatophobia, bullying, or loneliness. Whereas in rural people, there is an increased anxiety about being judged by others, communicating with strangers, and being punished. Those who are brought up in orphanages and boarding schools are afraid of the future independent life and the repetition of the fate of dysfunctional parents. What to do? To rid a child of fears, parents will have to do fundamental work with both their established patterns of behavior and their own. Subscribe to our channel Psychologist Olga Kuleshova. Also, under the video, leave questions that you would like to hear next time. And in the description under the video, there is a link to a 2-hour music podcast for meditation. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel Psychologist Olga Kuleshova, and the next topic will be what to do. Waiting for questions. See you.